Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This time I want to introduce to you about Tempura and Wine Kojima. Tempura and Wine Kojima is a shop in the prime market of Nagoya. It boasts seasonal ingredients such as tempura made from the market location and wine recommended by the chef. And you can really relax here in this area while simmering in the hot tempura. And it's really delicious and very affordable. The location is really nearby Nagoya station. It's just 10 minutes away on foot from the JR Nagoya station, and it's actually like at the back of Midland Square, and you can also stop by there if you want something very different. As you can see that this is a wet market. The closest station could also be the International Center station or the Kokusai Center, which is the Sakura Dori line or the red line. Also, the shop is open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and then they close and then they open again from 5:30 to 10 p.m. And Sunday is a holiday. I will put the link of the website so that you can check them out. Maybe they have changed their time. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that one there, and I hope you enjoy, and maybe you can visit this place because it's really very different, and just the feeling of just being in a very different place here in Japan, and it's just nearby Nagoya station. So enjoy. This is white rice and miso soup. Mama, what's this? Tenpura. Your tempura sauce. And salt with chilies. Ne? ちょっと辛い. And this one is tea and salt. This is chikuwa. Fish cake だよね. Oh, looks delicious. So the chef will put the tempura on your plate. We are seated at a bar counter. And this one is eggplant and okra. Look how crispy this is. Looks delicious. This is eggplant, and I'm going to break it down and show you how good is the inside. It's very hot. So fresh. You can see, so hot. Some vegetables are better to dip it into salt, and for me, I really enjoy dipping it into this. I'll show you. This is my renkon. It's best to eat them while they're hot. So this one is tensuyu. So if you need more sauce, you can add more and just pour it here. And it will make your tempura even better. It's a little bit sweet in taste and salty. Shrimp and fish. Hirame tempura. This is fish. Kashiwa is chicken. This one is chicken now. This is chicken. My favorite arrived. Ebi tempura. Oh yay! Mom gave me one more. Now I will try this chicken with tea. Eh, mata? I will try with the tea and salt instead of the minced. That's good. Tastes delicious. So this is a tsukemono, which is radish and some vegetables, and it's like a pickled vegetable. And the taste is salty. Yes. So it's pickled vegetable. This one is free. Here comes my favorite part, the ebi tempura. I like to soak it here at the mensuyu. So delicious. You want to eat it while it's hot. So if you want extra like large rice, it's free to order from the beginning, and if you need more soup, they can refill your soup too for free. So, and today we only paid 890 yen for everything, which is really good. And I'm gonna show you the place, how it looks like later.